Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Comments Objective Past Question 42. Marketing items produced to satisfy human wants are referred to as A. Commodities, B. Groceries, C. Industrial goods, D. Inventory, E. Consumables. So we're looking at items that are marketable, that are produced to satisfy human wants. So let's look at what each of the options are. Now, commodities refer to marketable items produced to satisfy human wants or needs. That is commodities. Then option B, which is groceries, refers to commodities sold in a grocery store. Option C, which is industrial goods, refers to goods bought and used for industrial and business use. Option D, inventory, means a complete list of items such as property, goods in stock, or the contents of a building. And lastly, option E, non-consumables, refers to any item which may be enjoyed without altering its substance. So we have seen each of the definitions of the options, and you agree with me that option A, which is commodities, refers to what? Marketable items produced to satisfy human wants or needs, and that is similar or more or less the same with what you have in the question. So those products or items are referred to as commodities, which is option A. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.